Michelle here, the smart guy that one. Smart guy. And now that the secret's out, it's time for the two of them to finally be in public as an engaged couple. So let's bring out your man, Michelle. Everyone, please welcome Nate.
Tired. I'm sleeping my ass off. Oh, goodness. Big snores.